Thailand's best-known beach destination, Phuket, was hard hit by the tsunami 5 years ago this month. And while visitors soon returned, the island's once booming property market hasn't been the same since getting jolted as well by the subsequent financial crisis. Bloomberg's Engle reports from Phuket.
The wave struck Phuket's popular west coast at the height of the island's peak tourism season, just after 9:30 a.m. following Christmas revelry the night before. More than a quarter of the dead and missing were vacationing foreigners. The Phuket region contributes about 40% of Thailand's annual tourism revenue. The beach towns were quickly rebuilt, and over time, tourists did eventually come back. Within 3 years, foreigner arrivals at Phuket International Airport surpassed pre-tsunami levels. But all is not well on island. This beachfront hotel in Kamala, for one, never reopened after being hit by the tsunami. Reconstruction work idled last year by what some have called the global financial tsunami. Political turmoil in Thailand hasn't helped either. Tourism numbers are again tracking lower this year, and property sales are also down. CB Richard Ellis says sales volumes are low, but are starting to show signs of life, with one villa recently selling for $6.5 million.
Obviously, the tsunami was a real setback for the island, was a setback for this part of the world. But the recovery has been amazing. Even though the financial crisis hit after the tsunami, business continued to really do okay. It wasn't booming, but we weren't as badly hit as, say, the U.S. or Europe.
ZEMAN, founder of Hong Kong's Lang Kwai Fong Nightlife Center, will complete his luxury ANDARA resort and villas this month.
Got the pool, got an outdoor lounge.
He's obviously bullish on Phuket's long-term prospects in the luxury market. Resales of his villas are going for more than $5 million. The smaller condos, too, start at just under $1 million. And hotel room rates are listed as high as $2,000 a night.
Stephen, you would be amazed on how much cash there really is. Even though there was a lot of wealth that was eliminated, there's been, everyone comes out, as we say, there are no mortgages out here, it is cash. There's still a fair amount of cash around in the world, as we've seen the stock markets have come back very, very quickly. There's a lot of liquidity.
Still, many underfunded property developments have been left to the elements on the island as the pool of potential investors has shrunk. More so than Bangkok, Pattaya, or Hua Hin, Phuket's property market is dominated by cashed-up expats, and smaller developers with little cash or lines of credit have suffered or gone bust.
You know, perhaps it's better if you don't have so much foreign investment, because it was a very idyllic island for many, many years, and perhaps it should remain so. So there's a little bit less building. It's probably not so bad.
On this 5th anniversary, when Thais and foreigners mourn their lost loved ones, all residents remain hopeful that the bad times are a thing of the past. Stephen Engle, Bloomberg News, Phuket.